Howdy, howdy, howdy. I'm here at 24809 Clear Creek Road, a super cute 400 square foot cabin that is on 95 feet of creekfront property. You can see here I'm at the creek. I've got my beers chilling in the fridge. It's just me down here, and it is downright peaceful. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the property and the cabin, but if you want to drive out here, feel free to shoot me a call or an email. My info is in the description down below. Would love to show you this guy. Let's take a look. The property line for this house goes all the way to the creek. You can see here it's a pretty big creek bed. Since we're getting into the late summer, it is starting to get dry, but there's still quite a bit of creek down this way. We're gonna play a little Frogger, see if I can get across without hurting myself. And then this is bigger John. And we're gonna head back up to the cabin. A lot of work and love has gone into this cabin. You can see we've got a cute little path here through the woods that leads you to the creek. Up the hill here to the property. You've got two outbuildings in addition to the 400 square foot cabin. You've got a carport that's in a little bit rougher shape, and you've got a shed slash outhouse, although there is a full bathroom, fully remodeled on the property if you wanted to use it for camping, RVs, or you had a big party. You do have a second bathroom right there in the super cute outhouse. This is cute here. Let's go take a look inside. Pretty easy road access off Clear Creek. You can see the driveway is gravel, but we're fully paved out through there. And this lot is beautiful. It is quiet. There's just the sound of the creek in the distance. And most of these properties here are vacation cabins, so not a lot of neighbors. Metal roof, new interior and exterior paint. We've got shingle skirting all the way around, and this great front porch. Clear Creek Road is paved, the driveway is gravel, access is super easy, and you're just 4 minutes away from Darrington, which has a great grocery store, coffee shops, Mexican restaurant, and lots of other amenities. So although you are in the woods and as quiet as can be here next to the creek, you are not far from some good dinner spots or coffee. Super cute cabin, brand new shingle skirting, paint on the outside and on the deck. You can see over on this back side here. And of course, your nice big lot, including some cute features like this swing in need of some repair. Let's take a look inside. Coming through the screen door here, you've got new wood flooring. Out. Wood stove. This cabin comes fully furnished, minus a few pieces on the walls. This couch is convertible into a bed, and you've got your kitchen,
stove and microwave. The bathroom's been fully remodeled. The new vanity, shower, toilet, and some great tile. It's a quick tour, since she's a cute little one, but there's a lot here in Darrington to explore.
This cabin has a shared well with a neighbor, septic, and power. So whether you're thinking Airbnb, getaway cabin, or full-time residence, this is something that you can get bank financing on. If you're interested in the opportunity, give me a shout. I am gonna enjoy the rest of my evening here in the woods.